Hey guys, Steven here with ProTech. Today we're going to talk just a little bit about the room entry workshop. The room entry workshop, we can do it two ways. We can do it with a team or we can do it by yourself. Most of us in the commercial market or commercial industry are civilians and we're by ourselves a lot of the time. Or maybe we're with our spouse, but that's usually about it. We don't have all of our buddies that we train with us all the time. So let's say you've got to clear a room in your house or you have to clear a room for whatever reason it is, and you're by yourself. There's a lot of things that are involved, but just as a basic overview, you want to clear as much of the room as you can from the outside of the doorway. And then after you've cleared as much of the room as you can from the outside of the doorway, you're probably going to have one blind corner that's furthest from the doorway, somewhere on the same wall, same plane as that doorway. And footwork is huge because you don't want to stay in the doorway. I don't want to peek through the doorway like this because the bad guys could be aiming at the doorway, right? So I want to get through the doorway as quickly as possible so that if they are aiming at the doorway, they'll hopefully miss me while I am honing in on them and preparing to stop them. So I want to take at least a couple of steps in before I think about planting my feet to take a well-based out shot, and then preferably I want to continue with some level of movement until I get that corner cleared, finish stopping those threats, and then swing back around and maybe check the little blind corner that I could almost check from the outside. So just as a quick demo, I'm going to do it, and then we'll hopefully see you on the range. Stay safe, guys. Here we go. And some rooms are longer than others. You might be stepping out into a hallway and taking a 50-yard shot, or you might be in a decent sized room or a really big room. So we train with various distance targets. We also throw some hostages in the mix sometimes, and we'll throw malfunctions in, as you saw there, where you've got to quickly transition because you've still got somebody shooting at you and you don't have time to regas up your carbine. So guys, stay safe out there, and we'll see you on the range.